Hello my friends, it's time to start with HTML CSS interview questions. Firstly, when we are talking about HTML CSS, then block level element and inline element is very important. So first question we will see difference between block level element and inline element. Here, inline element. These elements take only width of its content. For example, span and b tag. On the other hand, block level element. These elements take full width of its container and will always start on a new line. Example, div image form name. So one thing to note it down here is that when we will place two inline elements together, then both the elements will come in a same line. But when we will place two block level elements together, then also those two elements will start on a separate line, will not be in a single line. Let's understand this particular thing in our VS Code. So here we will make a span tag. In the span tag we will write Kushbu and then we will put some CSS for it. For example, background color, it may be red. Yeah. Now we are seeing that that particular span element is taking only the width required by its content. But if we will replace this particular span with div, then see what's happening. We'll replace it with div, replace all. Just we did this particular thing and let's see in our browser. Yeah, now it's taking the full width of its container, although that much space is not needed. If you will give this particular explanation to an interviewer, so definitely the next question will be how to convert the block level elements to an inline element and vice versa. So firstly, by using display inline, we can convert block level element to an inline element. And if we want to convert inline element to block level element, then display block will be used. How it is actually working, let's see. Here we have block level element. I want this block level element to be inline element. So display inline will come. Yeah, now this block level element is became inline element. Once we will explain this particular thing to an interviewer. Now the next thing will come. If we write block level element inside inline element, then whole container will take how much width? Will they come in a single line? And how actually it will behave? So answer for this question is that no, they will be in a two separate line. Inline element will take only the space required by its content, while block level element will take full width. Let's see this also in our VS Code. So here we have block level element and have display inline. So firstly I will remove that display inline property and then I will make span tag. Inside span tag I will place this div. Okay, div having background red, so I will give background green to an span element. Let's see in our VS Code now what's happening. Suppose span is also having green text inside. See, now the span is taking only the space required by its content, while the div, the block level element, is taking full width. This question may look weird, but yes, sometimes in an interview this is asked. So this is an important thing to be noted down. With this, we have covered block level element and inline element. In our next video tutorial, we will see some questions based on the list. So stay tuned for a next video tutorial. Thank you very much for now.